How do I claim life insurance? Generally, life insurance claims occur in two events: death, maturity formalities for a death claim. When a person with a life insurance policy dies, a claim intimation should be sent to the insurance company as early as possible. The assignee or nominee under the policy can do this. So can any close relative or the agent who handles the policy. The claim intimation should contain information like the date, place and cause of death. The insurance agent has the duty to help the life assured's family assignee to deal with the insurance company to fulfill the formalities for a claim. The insurance company will respond to this intimation and will ask for the following documents: filled up claim form, provided by the insurance company, certificate of death, policy document, deeds of assignments, reassignments if any, legal evidence of title. If the policy is not assigned or nominated, form of discharge executed and witnessed, other documents such as medical attendance certificate, hospital certificate, employer's certificate, police inquest report, post-mortem report etc. could be called for, as applicable. Formalities for a maturity claim. Where a life insurance policy is maturing, the insurance company will usually send intimation to the policyholder along with a discharge voucher at least 2 to 3 months in advance of the date of maturity, giving details like the maturity amount payable. The policyholder has to sign the discharge voucher, which is like a receipt, have his signature witnessed and send it back to the insurance company along with the original policy bond to enable it to make the payment. If the policy has been assigned in favor of any other person or entity, like a housing loan company, the claim amount will be paid only to the assignee who will give the discharge. Key to successful claims for any type of insurance. Successful claims begin at the point of purchasing the policy. When applying for an insurance policy, it is important to make all disclosures honestly. Hiding some unpleasant habits such as smoking or pre-existing diseases will only complicate the claim process, as it will be discovered then, and the insurance company may decline to pay a claim on the basis of non-disclosure of material information. Insurance company should get correct information of policyholder, all the relevant information on the claim application including the name of the policyholder, date, location, and reason of death, and any other appropriate information required by the insurance company. Omission or inconsistencies can cause jitters in the insurance company when processing your claim. At the occurrence of a death or hospitalization, in the event of a health cover, it is vital to alert the insurance company by sending a claim within the shortest time possible. Insurance companies take delays as reasons to arouse suspicion and elicit deeper investigation. Obtain a certified death certificate. The first step in filing a life insurance claim is to get copies of the death certificate. In general, completing and filing the death certificate is the responsibility of the funeral director. This is normally after the coroner has completed their work. Contact the life insurance companies. Once you have the policy information and death certificates, contact each insurance company to find out the appropriate claim procedure. If the insurance was purchased through an agent, he can help you deal with a life insurance company. Life insurance policies can be in effect for decades before the death of the insured. Over time, companies may be bought and sold or merged. If you find insurance documents, but the contact information is no longer valid, contact the State Insurance Commission. They can help you research which company is responsible for the policy and give you up-to-date contact information. Complete the claim procedures. Each insurance company will have its own rules and methods. Some may accept online claims. Many will require that you fill out and submit a hard copy claim. It is critical that you follow the claims instructions carefully. Submit all requested information and attachments. As the beneficiary, you may be required to submit proof of your identity. Failure to follow established procedures may lead to delays or rejection of your claim. Evaluate your payment options. Depending on the type of policy and amount of the death benefit, you may have several options for receiving the payout. For substantial payouts, consider consulting with an investment advisor to maximize your benefits. You can take a lump sum payment. For most smaller policies, this may be your only option. For larger benefits, you may be able to negotiate a structured settlement that gives you a steady income from the principal and interest on the policy. For large income earning policies, the payout can be interest only with the body of the death benefit remaining intact. In a lump sum distribution, you will receive a single check made payable to you. In structured settlements, you may receive a number of checks or electronic funds transfers. Typical claims processing takes 30 to 60 days after the application is complete. Some states have time limits as short as 30 days. Contact the insurance company if you have not received an update on your claim 30 days after all information was submitted. Life insurance claims can be of two types: 1, death claim, and 2, maturity claim. In case of death claim, the death certificate of the insured along with the original policy would be required from your side while approaching the insurance company, who will then give you the respective claim form, which needs to be filled and handed over. The insurance company may insist on an affidavit of the nominee, and if the nominee is not the legal heir of the insured, then other forms come into picture. In the case of maturity claim, you have to approach the insurance company with original policy document along with a cancelled blank check. The necessary forms that will be required to be filled will hand it over to you at the insurance company office.